The gun show is on. The gun show is on at the Martin County Fairgrounds in Stuart this weekend. Saturday 9 to 5, Sunday 10 to 4. Guns, knives, ammo, shooting supplies, and more. Concealed carry classes at 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. both days, and space is limited. Admission $10. Also, get a 1-hour free pass at Continental Gun Range in Stuart with every paid admission, and kids under 12 free with paying adult. The Great American Gun Show at 2616 Southeast Dixie Highway at the Martin County Fairgrounds this weekend.